Hey friends, this is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good today. So in my today's video, we are gonna be making banana pudding from scratch. We are gonna be using whatever easy ingredients which are available in our kitchen to make this banana pudding. Banana pudding is a classic American dessert. Usually the banana pudding is made up by a layer of sweet vanilla custard, top up with some vanilla flavored cookies like vanilla wafers or shortbread fingers, and then topped up with freshly sliced bananas. It is usually placed in the dish and then served with some whipped cream or meringue on top. And usually for making of this dessert, normally they use instant vanilla pudding mix which comes in the box. But today I'm going to be making it totally from scratch. So I will be using whatever ingredients are available in the kitchen. I'm going to be making the homemade vanilla pudding, and for the vanilla wafers, I didn't find vanilla wafers, so for that I'm going to be using shortbread fingers. If you are new to my channel and if you are visiting here for the first time, we make a lot of delicious things here. So friends, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get all the notifications to my new videos. So friends, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Into a heavy bottom saucepan, we are going to be adding around 2.5 cup of milk and 1 cup of cream. Now we are going to put this on the stove on the medium-low heat and let it slowly come to a simmer. In the meantime, we are going to be making the eggs ready. So for this, I need around 1 whole egg and 3 egg yolks. We'll be adding it into the bowl and just mix it with the help of the whisk. And then I'm going to add in around 3/4 cups of sugar. Whisk it up so that there are no lumps. And then I'm going to be adding around 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Adding cornstarch will help to thicken up our pudding. And then I'm going to mix it further with the help of the whisk so that the mixture gets thoroughly combined. Just look at this milk. It has almost come to a simmer and it has started to form kind of skin on top. So we are going to move it back off the heat, and then we are going to pour a little amount of milk into our egg mixture, and then we are going to whisk it up really fast. By adding the hot milk to the eggs, we are making the temperature of the milk and the eggs same, so that we don't end up shocking our eggs or we don't end up with cooked eggs. This process is called tempering. So once we are done with mixing of this eggs and the milk mixture, we are going to pour back this mixture into the remaining milk in the saucepan, and then we are going to mix it up thoroughly so that it is thoroughly mixed up. And now we are going to move back our saucepan on the lower medium heat, and we are going to whisk it every often, waiting for it to thicken. It will take around 6 to 8 minutes or so for it to thicken. Look at this, the corn flour has helped this mixture to get nice and thick. So I'm going to take it off the heat now, and then I'm going to add in around 4 tablespoons of cubed butter, and I'm going to mix it thoroughly with the help of the whisk so that the butter is melted and mixed into this custard, and it will give it a silky flavor and texture. And then I'm going to add in around 3 teaspoons of vanilla to this and mix it well. So here I have a bowl lined with a sieve. So I'm going to let it pass through the sieve. Doing so will give it a smooth finish, and that it will help to get rid of any lumps if there are any lumps from the eggs, and it will give me a smooth and creamy custard. Don't forget to scrape the bottom of the sieve. I'm going to set this aside and let my custard cool for some time. And here I've got around 4 ripe bananas, and I've got around 420 grams of shortbread fingers. Now I'm going to crush up these cookies into rough crumbs, and then finally it is time for the assembling of the pudding. So for the first layer of the pudding, I'm going to have arrange those chopped bananas into the pan, and the second layer is going to be of those shortbread cookies which I have crushed, and then third layer is going to be of the pudding which has already cooled up by now. Now I'm going to top it up with some more chopped bananas, and then finally I'm going to put a layer of those crushed cookies on top of the bananas. And then to top it up, I've got around 1 cup of heavy whipping cream which I whipped with around 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then I'm going to finish up with some more cookie crumbs. So friends, finally my banana pudding is ready. So friends, just look at this pudding. It totally looks like the original one, even though I made it from scratch. And it is very easy to make and yet very delicious. Just look at these beautiful layers of the bananas, the pudding and the cookies. Isn't it wonderful? So friends, this was all for today's video. If you like my video, then please do hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you into my next video. Till then, bye.